We are now preparing the subcab cable as it's instructed in the installation and operational manual for the 6020 pump. And I have pulled off the outer isolation of the cable, and I'm very careful when cutting not to damage the shielding of the cable. I have pulled off the outer insulation, and I have secured the shielding on each individual lead with some extra tape. I want to keep the aluminium foil intact. I have 3 power leads and the control element. We're now following the instruction in the quick guide, also delivered together with the product. I start by preparing the control element. It consists of a plastic foil to isolate the shield between the control element and the power coils. I unwrap this plastic foil I have a drain wire to secure signal ground and an aluminium foil. The excessive foil is cut away. There's some strengthening material here as well, and it goes away. And I end up with 2 pairs of wires, T1, T2, and T3 and T4. The T1 and T2 control element is connected to the SUM alarm output from the pump. The wires are twisted together. The T4 output is connected to the gateway or the controller with communication. It can also connect to the service tool DST. I'm peeling wire and inserting an end sleeve. Using a white shrink hose on the drain wire, I have installed end sleeves on each of the cables. I have now put end sleeves on all of the elements. I have put a white shrink hose on the drain wire. This distance is about 5 centimeters. The untwisted length of the communication wires are as small as possible, not exceeding 2 centimeters. I have a power core with the shielding intact. I will start by unwrapping the grounding. At the proper distance, I have made a fixation with some tape. I unwrap the aluminium foil and leave no excess foil. I now have the shielding and we will twist them together to form the protective earth. This is to be covered with a green and yellow shrink hose to indicate that it is the protective earth. This must be kept intact in all situations. Inside the control cabinet, there is a separation between the power side and the control side. We want to keep this distance as long as possible.